Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing good. Crumbs and Canvases is back with a new recipe, Kandha Poha. It's a Maharashtrian dish, very famous. Let's take a quick look at all the ingredients that we would need. 2 green chilies, halved and slit lengthwise. 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds or jeera. 1 large onion sliced. Half a cup of finely chopped fresh coriander, 1/4 tablespoon of turmeric powder, 2 cups of thick rice flakes or mota poha, 1 tablespoon of salt or to taste, and some drinking water to wash and soak the poha. Finally, 3 tablespoons of oil. Let's get started with the preparation. Turn the stove on and heat up a deep bottom wok or kadhai on it. Add in the oil. After it heats up a bit, add in the cumin seeds or jeera. Once the jeera starts to splutter, add in the green chilies. Saute them briefly and then add in the chopped onions, the sliced onions, and cook for about 3 minutes or until the onions turn translucent. Add in the turmeric powder and the salt. Cook the onions for 2 more minutes. Meanwhile, wash the poha with clean drinking water and drain off the excess water. Add all of the poha into the onion mixture. Mix it all very gently. Now cover with the lid and let the poha cook for about 5 minutes. 5 minutes are up. Uncover the lid and mix the poha gently. Poha is well cooked and is quite soft now. Time to add in the coriander. Give it a quick mix and turn off the stove. Poha is ready to serve. Dish it out into a plate. The serving suggestions could be, you could add in some lemon juice, bhujia safe, or roasted peanuts, fried potato, or some raita or plain curd. It would also taste really great with a pickle of your choice. So hope you enjoyed this recipe, the Kandha Poha. See you next time. Until then, please take care. Bye bye.